Yes, that's right. Other than Arjuna, Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita to sun god, Surya Bhagwan. His name is Vivaswan. Okay. And it's many years back that this happened. And then the sun god passed it on further to Manu, and so on and so forth. In a disciplic succession, this knowledge, the science of Bhagavad Gita, was passed down. Now, what happened with time, as time passed by, and as this was passing by with disciplic in the disciplic succession, this knowledge somehow became scattered. Okay, it became lost in between. Now, how does this become lost? What happens is if I tell you something, okay, and if you pass it on further as it is, without any interpretations from your side, without any perspectives added, as it is what was told, if it is passed, then the chain continues. But suppose if somebody tries to add or delete or modify something, then of course the knowledge is lost. So happened, and then again, Krishna had to come to again reinstate this knowledge, and that is why he spoke the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna this time. Okay, so this is the background of, we are on chapter 4. So this is how the chapter 4 begins. Okay, so now today we will do the shloka, chapter 4, shloka number 2. Okay, in this shloka we have a good news that most of the words are very familiar to us. For example, let's not see, look at the shloka and let's see if we know most of the words. Okay, in the first line there are three words. Out of that, maybe two we already know. Have we heard the word parampara before? What is the meaning of parampara? What is it? You are on mute, Mata.
Tradition.
Tradition. Okay, yeah, it's in succession basically. Yeah, parampara. So something is being transferred from one generation to another to another. So that's a parampara. Okay. What is the meaning of the word prapta? Prapta?
So if you
Prapta?
get something,
To get something. Yeah, to get something, to receive something. Very nice. That's prapta. So parampara praptam meaning something that I got by disciplic succession or by succession, I would say. Okay. In a hierarchy. So that's parampara praptam. And since we are talking about Bhagavad Gita here, okay, so that means in the disciplic succession. It's not from a lineal lineage from a parent to children. No, it's from the guru to shishya. Okay, so that's parampara praptam. Okay, have we heard the word Raja Rishi? What is the meaning of the word Raja Rishi? Raja and Rishi. So what? Any guesses? What is Raja Rishi? Any guesses? Okay, what's Raja?
is it
Any?
Janaka who is the Rajarishi?
He's one of the Raja Rishi. That's one of the king. So Raja means what?
King of the rishis, Raja Rishi.
Not really. So it's like Raja is king and Rishi, as you know, is saint. So a saintly king is called as Raja Rishi. So back in olden days, the kings, they were not just like warriors and administrators and rulers, but they were also very saintly. They used to take care of the Brahmanas and they used to take advice from the Brahmanas. So that's why they were called Raja Rishis, because they were people of high moral. Okay. So that's Raja Rishi. They had some spiritual background. Okay. And what is the meaning of the word imam? I will give you because it may not be familiar. Imam means science. Okay. Imam, science. Vidu. Vidu means to know or to understand. Okay. Vidu. Vidu means to know or understand. This word will be quite repetitive in most of the shlokas. Okay. What is the meaning of the word kala? Kala. Kal.
Kala is the time, right?
Time.
Time. Time. Correct. So kalena. Kalena is in course of the time. As we are discussing that in the due course of time, the knowledge was lost. in the disciplic succession. So kalena means in course of time. And what is the meaning of the word mahan?
Great.
Great.
Great. Yeah. Yeah. So from mahan comes mahata. It's like mahatma. Okay. Mahatmya. So let's say if I say Gita Mahatmya, that means the glories of Gita. Mahatma. So some great soul. Mahan Atma. So Mahata. Okay. So here the word is Mahata. Yoga. We know that word. Quite familiar. Okay. Nashta. Nashta meaning? Nasht.
Destroy होना.
Destroy hona, lose ho jana, okay, scatter ho jana, yeah. And then in the end, Krishna is addressing Arjuna by the term Parantapa. Parantapa is somebody who has done a lot of austerities or who is a subduer of the enemies. So basically, Arjuna ko ye naam se bula rahe. In previous shlokas, also he had addressed him different words, Kaunteya, etc. Right? So here he is calling him as Parantapa, which means Arjuna, subduer of enemies. Okay. So we are here, most of the words familiar, shouldn't take more time. So 4.2, Evam parampara praptam. Evam means thus. So in the first shloka, we are at 4.2. In 4.1, Krishna was mentioning to Arjuna that I had spoken the Bhagavad Gita to Sun God, and then Sun God passed it on to his son, and so on and so forth. It in the disciplic succession, it was passed. Okay, and now in this shloka, he's saying, in this way, somewhere it was lost, okay, in the due course of time. This is what this shloka says. So I'll just quickly read the translation so we know what we are trying to memorize. This supreme science was thus received, praptam, through the chain of disciplic succession, parampara, and the saintly kings, Rajarishi, understood Viduhu in that way. But in course of time, kalena, the succession was broken, nashta, and therefore the science yoga as it appears to be lost. Okay. So the supreme science was received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood it in that way. But in course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science appears to be lost. Okay, this is the meaning of the shloka. So evam parampara praptam. Evam means thus. He's continuing his conversation from the first shloka where he was telling how I spoke to sun god and so on. So evam parampara praptam, thus parampara by disciplic succession, praptam received. Evam parampara praptam, okay, we'll say 5 times. Evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam. Somebody else?
Evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam, evam parampara praptam.
Hare Krishna. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम, एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम, एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम, एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम, एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम.
Going back to the translation, the first line is the supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession. The second line is, and the saintly kings understood it in that way. So saintly kings, we are going to speak about saintly kings understood it in that way. Imam Raja Rishayo Viduhu. Imam is science. Raja Rishayo, Raja Rishis, Viduhu. Okay. Imam Raja Rishayo Viduhu. 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 Imam Raja Rishayo Viduhu.
Shall I? इमं राजर्षयः विदुः, इमं राजर्षयः विदुः, इमं राजर्षयः विदुः, इमं राजर्षयः विदुः, इमं राजर्षयः विदुः.
Raja Rishiyo. It's plural. Raja Rishis becomes Raja Rishiyo. Okay.
Okay,
Y-O.
राजर्षयः विदुः, विदुः.
Yes. Imam Raja Rishiyo Viduhu.
Imam Raja Rishiyo विदुः इमं राजऋषयो विदुः इमं राजऋषयो विदुः इमं राजऋषयो विदुः इमं राजऋषयो विदुः.
So we'll do two lines together. Evam parampara praptam imam raja rishyo viduhu. Evam parampara praptam imam raja rishyo viduhu. Evam parampara praptam imam rishyo viduhu. Evam parampara praptam imam raja rishyo viduhu. Evam parampara praptam imam raja rishyo viduhu. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजऋषि
एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजऋषयो विदुः 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 एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजऋषयो विदुः. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः. 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 हरे कृष्ण.
beautiful. We'll go to the third line. सकाले नेह महता सकाले नेह महता. Okay, kalena becomes kale neha. So it's like kal plus neha. Kale neha. Okay, kale neha. Mahan becomes mahata. Okay, sa kale neha mahata. 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 Sa,
So,
yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
Mataji,
you go ahead, Mataji. It's fine. You go ahead.
we are conflicting. That's why.
Okay, Preeti Mantaji, go first.
Okay. स काले नेह महता. 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 हरे कृष्ण.
सकाले नेह महता सकाले नेह महता सकाले नेह महता सकाले नेह महता सकाले नेह महता. One small question here, Mataji, Anandini, is that why it is kale neha? It should be kalen. Then why kale neha? I didn't understand.
Because Kal is time and here Neha, the word adding Kale Neha, it is because in the course of time. Because this chain was happening and somewhere in the course by little modification, it got lost. You know how the Chinese whisper happens? We start
Yeah.
something and then it becomes something else completely. So in the course of passage of time. That's why. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So we will do 3 lines again. Okay. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. Someone else?
एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजऋषियो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजऋषियो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजऋषियो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजऋषियो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजऋषियो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण. एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता. हरे कृष्ण.
Beautiful. One last line. Okay. Yoga nashtah parantapa. Yoga nashtah parantapa. Yoga nashtah parantapa. Yogo 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 nashtah parantapa. Just to remind you, parantapa is addressing Arjuna. Okay. Yogo nashtah is this science, this yoga got destructed, lost. Nashta. Yogo nashtah parantapa. Yogo nashtah parantapa. Okay, somebody else?
योगो नष्टः परन्तप. योगो नष्टः परन्तप.
I just have one query. So
I don't hear you. I think it's a network issue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, maybe we can continue once Mataji reconnects. Yes.
connection problem at her end.
Your voice is broken. Maybe
Maybe.
you can put your question on the chat and I can address that. And meanwhile,
Okay.
other Matajis can
So till
chant.
time,
Yeah.
shall I continue or we'll wait for?
Meenakshi Mataji is continuing to chant.
योगो नष्टः परन्तप. 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 हरे कृष्ण.
Yes, Preeti Mataji, are you back? Yes, you can try.
Okay. योगो नष्टः परन्तप. 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 Hare Krishna. Is it yogo or yoge? That is what my question
Yogo.
was.
Yogo.
Okay, fine. So yogo means we say kale neha means in course of time. What do you mean by yogo in this
Yoga
case?
means So basically, this science of Bhagavad Gita, which was being passed down, it's called as yoga because it's a yoga, it's a science.
Okay.
Yoga meaning
Okay.
the relation, the union. For yoga actually means a union between the soul and the Supreme Lord. So this relationship
Mm-hmm.
between the soul and the Supreme Lord is called yoga, and this was lost.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try all 4 lines now. Okay. एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः स काले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः स काले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः स काले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः स काले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप. Someone else?
एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण. एवं परम्परा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तपः एवं परम्परा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तपः एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तपः. हरे कृष्ण.
Hi Krishna, beautiful. Easy this one. However, let's chant all the previous ones also. Let's keep chanting, keep sending on the group. Whichever, whenever you remember, whenever you practice, even if it's 1.1 every day, please do so. Please encourage everyone. Hi Krishna, thank you for joining. Thank you for your time. Happy chanting.